Karma Guy here. Need a reliable work van? Check out this 2011 Ford E350 Super Duty Cargo Extended Van with only 97,000 miles and just one previous owner. It's got a great dealer service history, so you know it's been well maintained. This is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months, 3,000 miles. Plus, you'll get a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you purchase it. Ask about upgrading to our lifetime warranty for extra peace of mind. We offer a pre-purchase inspection to ensure you're fully confident in your decision. Remember, when it comes to value, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of a low price is forgotten. Stop by today or give us a call for more details.